coming lecture number 2, I was telling you when sunlight will come from the windows and when you will dust when you will dusting anything, like if I will dust this board, what some air dust will come out from this, and when sunlight will be there, that dust will get mixed with the air, and in that sunlight you will be able to see some dirt particles, and that particles will get mixed with the air and makes it dirty. Okay, so air also contains germs. Germs are very small living things that can make us fall sick. Okay, so germs are very small living things that can make us ill. And like air, you also cannot see the germs. Germs also cannot see by the naked eyes. That you can only see using a very powerful microscope. Many germs get carried through the air and make the other people sick. Yes, many germs are carried through the air. If we breathe that dirty air, then we get sick also. Like when you sneeze, okay, when you sneeze, the good habit is that you should use your handkerchief, or you should use your hand, and after using your hand or handkerchief, that's okay. After that, don't use handkerchief to wipe your face, and when you use your hand, you should go and you should wash your hand, because it contains germs. Okay, if you will not use your hand, if you will not use your handkerchief, what will happen? When you will sneeze from your mouth, some germs will come. If any, and that germs will get mixed with the air, and if any person will breathe that air, what will happen? He will also get that sick. He will also fall sick. So whenever you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth. Okay. If you will not cover, it means you are increasing germs, and if some other person will breathe that air, he will get also sick. That's why many germs carried through air and can make other people sick. Grown up always asks you to cover your nose, and this is because when you cough, I have already explained this. That is sneeze one already. Whenever grown up means your adult will say that whenever you cough and sneeze, you should cover your mouth with the handkerchief or with your hand. If you do not have handkerchief covered with your hand, but after doing it, after sneezing or coughing, you should immediately go and you should wash your hand with the soap or any other things, sanitizer. Okay. And if you have handkerchief, after coughing and sneezing, do not use that handkerchief to again wipe your face. If you will, because that handkerchief will contain germs, and if you will wipe your face from that, that germs will go on your skin, and you will get sick. This 105 is over. Now I move to keeping the air clean. How we will keep the air clean. Okay, now we see keeping the air clean. How we can keep the air clean? So first thing in your mind will come by planting more trees. If you will plant trees and plants every day, you can clean the air. Okay. So some dust and germs make the air. Keeping the air clean. Okay, so germs, some dust and germs make the air dirty. We know breathing dirty air can make us fall sick, and also makes it difficult for us to breathe, because dirty air will bring more disease, more problem. Okay, dirty air will bring more problem, more disease. If we are living in a city, because you know in city lot of cars, lot of vehicles are there, lot of factories are there, and from all factories, cars, they all give smoke, and smoke is not good for us. But if you are living in a city also, and if your home, if you where you if you are living, if there is plants and trees all around you, then at least you are safe. But if you are living in an area where not a single tree is also there, then what will happen? You will always fall sick. So if you are living in such area also, you should plant some trees, okay, in your home only, in your garden only. So we need clean air to stay healthy. So here are some things we can do is to keep the air clean. We need clean air to stay healthy. Like we need healthy foods to stay healthy. We need to drink adequate amount of water to stay healthy. We need to do proper exercise to stay healthy. So we need clean air to stay healthy also. So first, how we can keep the air clean? So plants clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Yes, the main work is plant, because plants need carbon dioxide for making the food, and in returning what they give oxygen. So we should plant more tree, because they help to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. So by planting more trees, what we can by planting more trees we can keep the air clean, because it reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. The first point is this: if you will plant more trees, plant will take carbon dioxide for preparing their food, and in returning what he will give? In returning he will give oxygen, which is needed by us for breathing. Next is, we should use public transport such as buses and train, or try to carpool instead of always traveling in our private car. This will ensure that there are fewer vehicles on the road and reduce the amount of smoke in the air. We should also walk or use bicycle to travel short distances. Now many person what they are doing, they are very lazy. So just if they have to go if they have to cover the short distances also, they take their car, they take their bike. So and like this, if they will use car and bike for small distances also, then what will happen? Pollution will increase, smoke will increase. So and we can use public transport also. So we can use public transport. Okay, we can walk or use bicycle to cover short distances. Okay, if you will follow such things, it will ensure that there will be less vehicles on the road, and it will minimize the smoke. Okay, smoke in our surrounding. So till here I am stopping. In next class I will go for its third point. So for now, goodbye to all of you.